Today, Nifty opened at 15,926, which is 227 points gap up with previous closing. The main reason for this rally is commodity prices are coming down, which is good for FMCG sector and also for auto sector. Last few months, companies have increased their product prices to pass their raw material costs to end users. Example, Tata Motors have increased their car prices because of increasing prices of copper, aluminium, etc. But now copper and aluminum prices have fallen drastically, but their car prices are not coming down, which in turn increasing the profits for their company. In the same way, FMCG sector also increased their prices, but now edible oil prices are decreasing, which leads to the decrease of raw material costs. But the prices of FMCG are not decreasing, thereby increasing the profit margin for FMCG sector. IT sector is in focus. After the results announcement of Accenture's operating profit margin increased by 20 basis points and their new bookings increased by 30%. Their total revenue increased by 27%. This strong result is a positive sign for Indian IT sector as well. Today, Bank of America has initiated a buy rating for Delhivery and gave a target price of 630 rupees. They are saying Delhivery is uniquely positioned to gain market share and it has fully integrated logistic services and estimating Delhivery's express parcel volumes to see 33% CAGR. Bank of America has also increased the target price of Maruti Suzuki to 9,500 rupees by estimating the rise of earnings per share by 7 to 9% and other factors like metal price softening, passenger vehicle cycle recovery, etc. Morgan Stanley gave overweight call on SBI cards with target price of 1100 rupees. Daily spending data from RBI suggests that strength in spending has sustained. This May month has saw highest ever monthly spending for industry with 8% up month on month. Next update is from L&T Financial Holdings. This company has received NBFC registration certificate from Reserve Bank of India, which is a positive factor. All the rating firms has increased their target to 100 rupees and last week there are many block deals in this company. GHCL has filed an update to the exchanges. This company has inaugurated new spinning mill in Tamil Nadu with a production capacity of 23 tons per day and can cater premium segments in both domestic and international markets. Next update is from IEX. IEX means Indian Energy Exchange. This company provides platform for trading power. If any company is generating excess power, then they can sell it in IEX and company which requires power can go and buy from IEX. IEX charges some amount for every power trade because it is providing the platform. Now government is planning to increase exchange trading power which will increase the volumes of IEX. In Tata Consumer annual general meeting, chairman said their market share is gaining in both tea and salt sector. They have opened 50 new Tata Starbucks stores last year, taking total stores to 268 across 26 cities. They are focusing on promoting their Norisco beverages products which deals with non-carbonated, ready-to-drink beverages. Today, Mahindra & Mahindra stock hits all-time high with a new launch of Scorpio. They have priced this base variant of 13.5 lakhs and high end of 19 lakh rupees. Today, US FDA begins inspection of Cipla's Pithampur unit. Cipla wants to sell their dry powder inhaler in USA. If this pre-approval inspection is completed successfully without any red mark, then Cipla will get the license to sell their dry powder inhaler in USA, which is positive for this company.